I have a Kohler Vinnata Kitchen sink. The handle fell off. Do I need to replace a part to fix?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A few days ago the handle came off in my hand. I can fit it back on to use, but need to figure out how to get fixed without getting a new faucet.
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
There are no associated leaks. The handle fits back on. It is just not supposed to come off and fall in the sink when using.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Possibly. I know a good plumber if needed.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
In looking online, I can't tell if a screw came loose or broke off. As I already noted, if needed, I know a plumber to do the work. I just need to know what parts to get or if there's a screw loose that I can tighten.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. There is an Allen set screw in the short end of the lever handle. Put the handle back on and insert an Allen wrench into the set screw to tighten it up.
Thanks. Tried several Allen wrenches. I read somewhere earlier a 1/8 inch one would work, but none seem to move the set screw to tighten. On the end where you can see the set screw, it is loose, but I can't get an Allen wrench to tighten or see movement. Nothing fell out when the handle came off. You can insert a small Allen wrench at least a 1/2 inch on the faucet side. Not sure if something sheared off in there or not. I did put some WD-40 down the hole where you would insert the Allen wrench to tighten. How long is the set screw supposed to be?
The set screw is long enough to tighten up the handle. WD-40 is not a good product for freeing seized parts. Try PB Blaster, Lowe's or Home Depot, or you'll have to order a new handle if the screw won't move.
The set screw will not turn to move the screw. So guess I will order a new handle then.
Okay, I'd appreciate a favorable rating.
Okay, well, I was going to say, your response was helpful, but did not fix. However, tonight, I tried with the faucet handle facing the hot side and found a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. I have 2 sets, one metric/silver, that only works on my European bicycle, and nothing American, and a black set from my dad's old tools. The black set included a 1/8 incher. I gave it one last whirl and success. Possible the WD-40 from yesterday helped too. I could not tell if I was moving the screw or not, but something was moving. When in doubt, tight to the right. So maybe besides not using the right size Allen wrench, possibly I was not turning the right way. I had the handle facing the cold side.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.